Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to prevent app from getting your account information in Windows 10 computer. It's a very important issue, so don't forget to watch full video. In Windows 10, your user account information is part of the privacy data which can be controlled with the settings application. The user can revoke or grant access permission for apps and the users to this data. Recent Windows 10 builds can be configured to allow or deny apps access to their name, picture and other account information for all your installed apps and the operating system itself. Only if allowed, the OS and installed apps will be able to use your user account information. Okay, let's see how to prevent apps from getting your account information. Click on Start menu. Click on Settings and then click on Privacy. Now scroll down, click on Account Info. Look, allow apps to access your account information is enabled right now. If it is enabled, if you on Microsoft Content, then Microsoft Content app will allow to access your account information. Now click on here. Look, now all apps are disabled right now here. Now these apps are denied to access your account information. Okay, close this window. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.